Hello everyone, myself Swarup Adak. In this presentation, I am going to talk about the innovative solution to challenges facing by Cunningham Holdings. In this slide, for this presentation, I will introduce about the case studies. Like innovation is the primary link between competitive advantage and technology. So by definition, innovation is a process in which new processes and products are created through combination of existing knowledge and development of new knowledge. So companies usually invested in innovation due to their quest of competitive advantage. Like considerable percentage of innovation are caused by novel applications of the existing knowledge. And some of the common reason for innovation is included in this presentation. It's allow new industries to come into being and it enhances firms to dominate their industries. Likewise, by innovation is initially commercialized by production and marketing of new services and products or adopting a new technique of the production. In this current slide, we will talk about creativity and use of advanced technology for innovation. Innovation strategies hugely contribute to additional increased production and its quality. Since technological advancement have incredibly increased in the performance and success of organizations through incorporation or resourceful workforce. Thus, production of variety of products and services result in the distribution of many items of various clients, thereby meeting the needs of the many customers. It is important to carry out a comprehensive analysis regarding the relationship between motivation and student computing based emotions, which is fueled by the increasing learning experience and the learning integration of technology with education. Usually, corporations must invest in the research and development in order to implement advanced technology in their system. This case study primarily focused on analyzing and examining the effects of attribution theory towards the behavior of employees on the implementation of an innovation. This main focus of the case study developed in the concept of constructive and depictive internationally. Now we will talk about how partnership and corporations with other manufacturers helps in the production. The goal of Cunningham Holdings invention should be to collaborate with other producers in the system, fostering partnership with outsiders, because collaboration with outsiders is a very fantastic concept. It provides new expertise from machine manufacturers and increased networking and production promotions. So the company should work with other companies to improve their production of machines that will allow the company to produce high quality product for the market use. On the other hand, it is critical for future use by other companies because it is increases innovation ideas, enhance manufacturing quality. So we can say furthermore, collaboration with other organizations enable it to connect with customers because it increases innovation ideas, enhancing manufacturing qualities. As a result, Cunningham Holdings will be able to build a favorable business environment by collaborating with and strengthening connections with its commercial partners. That is, corporations among business is vital for improving production and marketing. Incorporation of attribution theory. Notably, the constructive internationally allows the employees to believe that an organization has indeed adopted an innovation that will not enhance its performance and will success but will also take care of their concern or issues. Attribution theory is often used to provide a comprehensive and all inclusive explanation regarding employees' behavior or innovation implementation. In short, the adaptation innovation will enhance the development of organization and improve the welfare of the employee. So the success of a newly introduced innovation depend on the perception and attitudes of both employees and employers. Thus, we can say, as a result, the employee is believed to have a positive reasoning that will enable an organization to accomplish both its short-term and long-term goal. Unlike the constructive internationally, the decisive internationally, by description, is the negative attitude of employee towards the introduction of a given innovation. The most effective way to determine the success of adoption of a given innovation, it is important and necessary to decide how employees view the internationally of adopting it by an organization. So we can say that these unlike the constructive internationally, the addictive internationally by description, it is negative attitude of employee towards the introduction of given motivation. In this case, the employees believe that the inception of newly developed innovation will suppress and exploit them. Solution to Cunningham effective human resource practices. The practices of human resource have changed dramatically since numerous organizations now provide universal access to HR service technologically. Usually, the innovation model correlated with the enterprise model, revenue model, and industry model. So, the reduce compliances cost and HR administration costs. All of these models are focused on changing the contemporary of existing conditions and coming up with new situations that are favorable to the entrepreneur's activities. It is also crucial that the management be able to identify the source of innovation in business surrounding, then nurture them through the BRIO criteria defined as this will the long term run provide the much needed competitive advantage. They reduce complaints, the system improves services and across to data for managers and employees. It also allows HR to transform in order to carry out a pivotal strategic roles in an organization. So corporate innovation and entrepreneurship has several themes and idea specifically to the entrepreneurs. All business activities should be focused on the satisfaction and reliability of the potential customer. Thus, the system enhances real-time merits that allows the decision makers to make the workforce and spot the trends for the benefit of organization. Thus, the HR will be able to focus on much more talent hiring, and it will also open a gate for the coming term to carry out with more business focus. To conclude, we can say that creativity has to be harnessed in order to create value to both for the company and the surrounding society. In the contemporary society, exploiting and nurturing innovation is the primary source of competitive advantage and the basis of strategic formulation. To summarize, the research paper also has provided the main innovation used and is well presented as a result of analysis and research on the case studies. So innovative activities and different management system and organizational structure. The commercialization of new technology need the incorporation and integration of technological expertise and creativity with capabilities in marketing, production, customer support, and distribution. So profitably, we can say that it is overall benefit of a business. Consequently, organization must invest in creativity and innovation, which includes the use of technology, partnership, and commercialization, among other things. Here are some references which I have used to understand about the Cunningham's problem and how to solve it with innovative ideas. So thank you everyone for your precious time. Thanks a lot.